know peeps have two moods. One is riding, two, we wish we were riding.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah. Rubbed up.
So we're just making a sneaky cappuccino here, because if I don't have any coffee, I'll just be an old droopy the whole day. So the question is, what does one do when your bike's broken? I tell you what you do. You help your mates shred dirt bikes. If you can't shred dirt bikes, at least you're helping someone else shred a dirt bike, which is what we did at the track. I feel like I've been waiting for him for like ages.
Do we always take this long? Training started at 9. It's training to look good. I think do a 10-minute warm-up, and then there'll be a section that you want to mostly improve. Then we just go do that section.
All business with you, huh?
Yeah, I'm in a business mood.
Because I'm a businessman, I'm a businessman.
Brett also needed some work on his starts because he hasn't had the greatest of records on the start gate. I think he stalled once and then he started in neutral. So worked on starts routine and getting a good jump. Also, he had never practiced starts with a whole shot device before, so that was good for him to learn.
It's so shit watching your mate just do motos. Like, I'm happy for the O, you know, but I also want to ride bikes. Oh, the bike's getting dynoed today. They replaced the temperature sensor, and there's a new fuel pump on there, but it's not the fuel pump. So hopefully the new temperature sensor fixes the problem, which means I'll be able to ride like maybe this weekend, if not next week. So fingers crossed.
We also did, there's like this long straight section and then into a left-hand berm basically. And we just worked on getting him to brake later or just get off the brakes earlier and increase his entry speed into that corner.
I think he braked way too early.
Were you wanting me more on this side?
Yeah, do you see where your line is there? The dark.
Yeah.
It's like 3 times rougher here, and then you tight for that berm.
So was that second one better?
Way better. Your entry speed was twice as fast because you were already, the track is actually smoother here.
Yeah.
And you already can carry more roll speed around the berm. When I was standing there, when you were coming in from here, it was so rough, like da 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 da,
Yeah.
and then it ruined the whole turn. Whereas here, your entry speed's way faster, your roll speed's faster, and then like you were carrying the power on great.
Yeah.
Like you roll on and you just keep going out, powering out. Now just try brake a bit later because you're still braking quite early. That was good. Much faster.
Hey?
Much faster compared
Yeah,
to the
completely.
first one. But now to go even faster, you know, like when you go into the turn and you go off throttle, on throttle, you do that on the straight.
Yeah.
It needs
I'm
to be,
not trusting my braking.
yeah, it needs to, you come around now, either go off throttle, coast until you get to the turn. If you just get to brake later,
Oh, so you get on earlier or get off later.
yeah. So then you're not, until you get confidence in your braking, you go,
But I feel like that's where I was, so I need to get the braking later.
I'm gonna stand there. You can't go off throttle until you get to me.
Okay.
That definitely worked because his entry speed on that one was way better than the last. Well, that definitely worked because the entry speed was way
You can even
faster.
see the braking.
Yeah, but now look how tight it is. There's like this whole piece of track here, which will make the standing into that turn way easier. I'm just gonna keep moving a little bit closer without him knowing. On the throttle. Yeah, that's his best one yet. He did let go of throttle a little bit there. I think he knows I'm a little bit closer than I was. On, 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 on. Like, come on. Even you must be able to feel that. That's like
But I feel now,
hauling ass a little bit. I also cheated you. I've been moving closer and closer.
I noticed. Okay, Doug, I'm gonna
And now I want him to do a dirt start. I'm just gonna teach it. I'm gonna show him how I do my starts. And then he might hate it. Or he might find it like it helps. But he also needs to figure out what it is that he feels comfortable with doing a start. That was a good one. Yuck!
Are you also keen for a coffee, sir? So that was our what do you do when your bike's broke vlog. I think Brett made some really good improvements in maybe 3 or 4 hours of riding and tips and tricks and just figuring out some things. Hopefully everyone's enjoying the new video concept. I don't know, I still haven't really figured it out yet, but I'm just learning as I go. So yeah, peace out, yo.
2, 3, 4.